Introducing the 2026 Volkswagen Amarok Pan Americana 3.0TDI with 237 horsepower. This stunning pickup comes loaded with comfort, safety and tech features galore. Cruise in style with adjustable seats, ambient lighting, satellite navigation and more. Stay safe with 360 view camera, collision avoidance braking and multiple airbags. Plus, with roof rails and side steps, you'll turn heads everywhere you go. Don't forget about the privacy glass and LED lights for added flair. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty and servicing to manufacturer specification. Experience the ultimate in power and luxury. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie now to learn more.